Well, it's Monday morning and welcome to Dynodaze. This is our latest video because you're watching it. This bronze Fn2, I think it's bronze, ain't it, Jeno? In the light, yeah, it's bronze. Is having valve clearances. What else is it having, Jeno?
It's having a HEL graded brake line. It's having a 4-to-1 manifold and
TypeR twin exit exhaust system, and then it's up for a map.
Yeah.
So I'll let you crack on, my friend, and we'll come back and see you in a bit. Well, it's nearly lunchtime and our Jeno has got the manifold on, so well done, Jeno. It's all looking lovely and shiny up there. Next up is to mate it to the twin exit exhaust, which is from TypeR, which is a lovely bit of kit, well made in this country. But yeah, we're also doing an inspection on this car for things like rust. It's a bit of a health check, checking bushes and things, so I'm sure we'll crack on with that. Let's come back to the bit of bits. Cue the music.
Cue the music.
Fn2 came in for... That's a good light. Is that from when you were down the mine as a boy?
Yeah, I was down the mine as well. Well, what I did was, last week when I was doing the case swap, I was underneath the dashboard doing all the wiring and decided that it was really annoying me trying to get a torch to stand where you wanted it.
Because you haven't got a torch on the end of your finger like ET.
So I could see. And then I saw this on the internet for £10 and I thought, that's it, I'm buying that.
It's all right, they're only £7 in the petrol station.
Well, that's all right, but... That's irrelevant. I wasn't
going
to
go
the petrol station to go and get one, so I ordered one off the internet.
This car got dropped off on Saturday.
It did. We did a standard power run on Saturday, which sometimes, you know, we like to try and do that, but we've got valve clearances to do on this car, so we didn't want to heat it up basically when it's done. But it was dropped off on Saturday, so we'll run it, get the data on Saturday for its standard form as it came in.
Made 202 brake.
Made 202 brake horsepower, and then obviously we would see what improvements we've obviously made. So we did valve clearances on it. We fitted a 4-to-1 Japspeed decat manifold
and a twin exit TypeR exhaust system.
Yeah, TypeR exhaust system.
Inch. Now the actual it was on a standard manifold, but it had some Mackled sports cat on it, didn't it?
It did. It had they cut.
You know, like a £40 sports cat off eBay.
Yeah, and they'd like welded it in the middle. I would imagine what happened is the cat got stolen. And then what they've done is they used that sports cat just to make the middle section up, obviously where they'd cut either side, and to make it up. So I understand why and the purposes that was there. But we put some nice new shinies on there underneath, and yeah, the results have been great.
It's got HKS induction kit.
Yes, it has, yeah.
Yeah, and then it's got a bit of an exhaust system. It's got a nice exhaust system on it. It's finished on 217 brake horsepower, I think. 217 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
We're up. We got an extra 20 foot-pound of torque. We got an extra 25 wheel horsepower. Yeah, it's done really well.
Yeah, it will feel, when you, again, what we always say, when you look at the graph, you know, if you're not necessarily just looking at peak numbers, obviously peak numbers were quite respectable in this car. A load of power in the mid-range, loads of power and torque everywhere. So yeah, it will just feel totally different. It really
it's a GT spec car, so it's got switchable maps on it now with the ecutek software, adjustable launch control, which is fun for snapping drive shafts, of course. And it's got auto blip down throttle and flat foot shifting.
Flat foot shifting, yeah.
Yeah, and I'm sure we'll see it again after it's had some more modifications.
Yeah, I would have thought so. Maybe a few more things, but here's the thing: these are basic breathing mods, and the car's done exactly what it should do. You may just be truly happy with it and just carry on driving it.
I think he will be. Yeah. Right, let's look at the graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
So come on, say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Nice and smooth, linear. We've got bags of power in the mid-range. Started at 202, finished at 216, I'm calling that. If you look at the wheel horsepower, up by about 25 brake. We got some more torque there as well. But there we go. It's a nice car. But then again, I love all Fn2, so I'm biased, aren't I? It's got a bit of a homebrew wrinkle red rocker cover in this HKS shiny, a bit hot, that. But yeah, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. You know, like and subscribe and all that jazz. I hope today is the day, if you haven't already subscribed, that you choose to do so. If you've got an Fn2 and you need any help, you can drop a comment below and we'll help you. Or you can message on Facebook, Instagram, all of that shebang. Yeah, and I'll see you all on the next one.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.